Hey everybody, Castro here. As you can see, I have a factory of PSLs here. So we are making sure that all the tech is nice and clean, all the equipment is in there, tightening a few bolts, making sure nothing's falling. They've definitely been on a journey, and we are so excited now to be able to show these and present these at the Expo. The team is currently making huge poster boards, getting everything set up. We're gonna have a beautiful exposition. It's a lot of cases.
And we had the amazing opportunity to present the Portable Story Lab as its own initiative, right in the middle of the Expo floor, so that people could see the authenticity and the genuine style of scientific narrative and storytelling. And we feel like we've birthed a whole new style of storytelling.